All right, in 11.4, we are talking about two-way tables. I am going to keep this pretty short and sweet. I just want to go through how to set up a two-way table and then how to convert that into a relative frequency table. That is all that I am going to focus on for this section. Okay, so let's just get into it. You are going to see a two-way table that may be set up like this, something like this in your assignment, where there are only a couple numbers. We need to go through and fill in what is missing. So what we're talking about here is the freshman and sophomore class, and do they have mobile access? So can they get online on their cell phone or laptop? Anything that's mobile, either yes or no. So this box here states that there are 55 freshmen that do, yes, have mobile access. Here is the total number of freshmen and sophomores that have mobile access. So from this, we can figure out how many sophomores there are by taking 118, subtracting our 55, because our freshmen plus our sophomores should equal our total, which is 118. So 118 minus 55, you should get 63. Okay, from there we have totals over here. There should be a total of 75 sophomores. We already know that there are 63 sophomores that do have mobile access. We need to figure out how many don't. So I would just take my 75, subtract off 63. From there we would get 12. This total here is our overall total of everyone. So I know that there are 118 freshmen and sophomores that have mobile access. We need to figure out how many do not. So again, take 152, subtract off 118. Right there, you should get 34. All right, now we should be able to fill in these two here. If my total is 34, I have 12 sophomores that they do not have mobile access. I would just take 34, subtract off 12. That should give me my 22 freshmen that also do not have mobile access. So 22 plus 12 equals 34. So I need something here out of my total. Total freshmen plus total sophomores should equal our total students. So 152, just go the opposite, subtract 75. Right here we should get 77. All right, so our totals, the rows that have totals in them, there is a special word for these numbers, and they are called marginal because they lie in the margins. Marginal frequencies. Oops, marginal frequencies. All right, and then I want to know the total number of students that we surveyed. So that should just be everyone overall. My total freshmen and sophomores, my total, yes, they have mobile access or no, they don't. This number here, 152, is just the total number of students that I surveyed. Okay, we are going to go into how to convert this to a relative frequency table. So a relative frequency, think about it as percentages. If my total number is 152, I'm going to think of that as 100%. So I'm going to take it out of 1. 1 is 100%. 152 is 100% of who I asked. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and figure out what 75 is out of 152. So here, you would just take 75, divide it by 152. 75, my total is 152. When you do that, you should get a decimal of 0.49. From there, you can do it with every single number. So here I could take 77 divided by 152, since 77 goes here. Or I can just see that I already have 0.49 out of 1. That means I still need 0.51. 1 minus 0.49 is 0.51. Okay, again, we can do this just over and over. 34, it should always be out of 152 because that is our total. This one we should get 0.22. Here we would take 12 out of 152. 12 divided by 152 is 0.08. And then here, 22 goes here, so 22 divided by 152, we should get 0.14. And these should add up. 0.14 plus 0.08 will give us our 0.22, so that worked out nicely. And then same thing, we're just following it. Here's 55. 55 divided by 152. That one is 0.37. This one here, if I took 63 divided by 152, I should get 0.41. Then if I took 118 divided by 152, I should get 0.78. So that is how you convert your two-way table into a relative frequency table. So by relative frequency, it means everything should be out of 100% or 1.